Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch this hawk's turtle in Fish It Roblox. So this magnificent creature is super rare and is a mythic thayer fish and requires a specific approach to even see, let alone catch and fish it. So here I'm going to show you the best time of day to hunt and also the specific bait and rod combo that I use to get this fish. So as for the rods, I'm using this element rod to get the turtle, and for the bait I'm using the singularity bait, this one right, with a 380 luck. And let me show you the location where I got the turtle. So here I on the coral reefs. Here's I'm already on the coral reefs, and for the position that I got the turtle, here you need to just go inside the cave in the coral reefs, and this is where I got the turtle. So I fish in this exact location. So just try your luck and got the turtle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.